I'm not done yet. Oh my gosh, guys. Hey guys, it's about like 1:30 in the afternoon. Oh, you can see me. Hello. Still editing for Vlogmas day 1, but it's okay. You know, the commitment is there. Hello?
Hello. This is an apology call from your utility company. It has come to our knowledge that you have been paying more than your consumption from previous few months. You will be reimbursed by 50.
Max is so clean. He's a clean boy now. Machi, you smell so good. I'm probably gonna make him throw up. Look at the camera. Wow, you're so handsome. I'll be about to tell you.
What?
So, your mom is telling me like, Dominic, your food is outside. Dominic, your food is outside. And I'm trying to get, oh, we ran out of memory. So I'm at the top of the stairs for like a good 2 minutes deleting mad shit. And I walk downstairs and the person is standing there waiting to hand me the food. And I'm like, oh my god, I thought this is a contactless delivery. Max, ow, you're sick, ow, ow. Oh my gosh. So for Vlogmas, I'm also gonna be doing this. It's an advent calendar of beer. I'm like setting this up before I go to work. Oh my god, which one do I do? I'm such an idiot. I have to start from here. Oh shoot. Okay, hold on. Cool. Okay. This is different. So I'll close this. So this is going to be my first beer that I'm going to try once I get home from work. I'll record more after. Okay. Oh man. Snowflake is down. Oh my god, I'm running late because I want to get coffee. Ooh, it's a little chilly today. Cynthia's gonna be so mad that I'm getting coffee without her. But it is what it is. I'm sorry, baby. Oh my god, guys, my freaking hair looks ridiculous. Oh my god, you see it? It looks ridiculous. Oh my god.
Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. I'm pretty sure that Dominic already did the intro for today's video, but I just wanted to hop in because I just realized that I don't think I'm in any of the clips. And the reason for that is just because I've been drowned in homework. Life of a college student, I guess you could say. And it's been quite a struggle just because a lot of the classes are either remote or online, and majority of mine are fully online. Therefore, I do not have a professor to ask questions on immediate concerns that I have. So it kind of elongates my learning process, I guess you could say. Thankfully though, I checked my grades and I've actually been doing very well in that class. But I do spend almost all day learning the material, doing the homework, and then doing the quizzes. So yeah, that's why I'm either not going to be that much in the vlogs, or you're not going to see me pick up much of the camera during Vlogmas. It's mostly going to be him unless I'm fully caught up with schoolwork. Either way, this is actually Dom's idea. He wanted to do Vlogmas this year. He wanted to I guess, you know, just take on that challenge and I guess see if he could actually finish doing Vlogmas. So it's, you know, basically a video every single day. So hopefully, you know, he could upkeep and I'll be there to support him in every step of the way for this.
Hey guys. Oh, work was so slow. Wait, I don't know if you could hear me. I just got out of work and it was slow today. And it was slow yesterday. I got sent home at 5 o'clock yesterday and I was scheduled to work the whole night. And I'm scheduled to work tomorrow night, and my manager said he might not need me tomorrow because it's also going to be slow tomorrow. So it's not looking cute. My wallet is crying. Oh man, and it's going to be slow this whole week. I could understand why it may be slow because cases are rising, it's getting colder, people don't want to eat inside, so I totally get it. It's just, it's tough. But I'm out of work. And it is 42 degrees outside, and Cynthia and I are gonna go out again because we did our intro and it was great and everything, but it felt like it wasn't done. Like, it's not complete because Max wasn't included. Max is our cat. So we're actually gonna go back to the vessel today, and we're gonna bring Max, and we're gonna have a photo shoot / video thing going on with him so he could be part of the intro, because it's not the same without him. You know, he's part of our lives, so he needs to be part of that intro too. So we'll take you on this journey. I'm gonna go back to the vessel, but right now I'm gonna go home.
He's all dressed. I know he looks mad. He hates when I put clothes on him. But he looks so cute. Matt, are you ready? You're gonna be part of the vlog video. You're gonna be part of the vlog video. You look so cute. Oh, he's not happy. It's okay, Max.
Look how crazy this house looks. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of lights. Oh wait, I live here. Oh my god. Look what I came home to! Max, you're so cute! Oh my god! Bruh!
His hat says chill.
Word, Max. You gotta chill because it's cold outside and you want to make sure that you are bundled and ready to go on this new adventure.
He looks so cute without it, look.
Oh, you're right. He does look very cute as well. Yo, buddy. You are so cute. You are adorable. I cannot wait for you to be around all those lights. Aren't you excited? I know you're excited. You're super excited. Okay, guys. I gotta get ready. No, he doesn't seem like he's shaking. Nah, he's good. He's chilling. He's ready to go out.
He's sleepy.
He's sleepy?
After a shower.
Well, because that's a lot of stress. It's okay, Max. We'll be fine. Okay, gotta get ready. Ooh.
I bundled him up OD.
It's good. It's freezing. guys.
We are training Dominic to be ready on how to sit down the stroller with the baby when we have our baby.
I'm dead.
But it's our fur baby right now.
It's our fur baby. It is so cold. Our photo shoot is a semi-success because it's just too cold. So we had to take some quick shots and we had to leave. Anyways, we're almost to the car. Yo, it's so windy. Okay, but we're about to enter the car. Yeah, okay. How do you fold this thing? From the side.
Got it?
Nope.
There's the thing on the side that you slide up.
Something that I slide up.
Over here.
Well, I didn't know how these strollers get undone.
That decoration is so cute. How the hell did they do that?
Who knows?
Huge ass candy canes just chilling.
Whoa,
we're so red. So I don't know if we mentioned it, but we've been talking about it every time we come to the city. It's just been so crazy dead. Like there's no people on the streets, and it's just we're in such awe and in shock. Well, no, it's the same thing, right? That there aren't that many people in the city, and it's usually like there's bikers, there's party goers.
Usually literally the sidewalks are empty.
Yeah.
And it's crazy, if we were to roll down the windows right now,
it'd just be silent.
It'd be silent. In Vlogmas Day 1, there's a shot that Cynthia recorded of the buildings, mostly looking towards the edge, and it's literal silence.
Oh yeah, I was like, why didn't you put music over it? And he was just like, oh, I just wanted to catch the essence of like the silence that like you hear now, which you would never hear if you were to come to the city before Corona. It's crazy.
Yeah.
It's unbelievable how much the city has changed since this happened.
We drove down 34th Street. We passed by Herald Square and everything, and it was legit empty. It was crazy. We got McDonald's because it's the only thing that was open. Two things. I'm gonna try my advent calendar beer.
Ozzy put a beer glass in the freezer for you.
Word? Oh, okay. So I'm gonna get that glass. Wow, your brother is MVP. Anyways, this is what we got, Max, from Trader Joe's. It's an advent calendar for cats. And he's gonna get day 1 because it's December 1st, even though it's December 2nd now.
See, I told you it has 25 days.
That's the right kind of advent calendar. If it says 12 days, it's fake.
Where's one anyway?
Right here. Let's open it.
Right now? But Max is eating.
Oh, so we should do it later?
Yeah, like once he's done eating.
Okay. Okay, so do that later. I'm gonna get my glass from Abby. Max, are you excited for your advent calendar?
Machi.
Max, come here.
Look, let's open it, Max.
Max, come on. Dead ass, you were just eating. Let's give him a couple minutes. Yeah, open it for him.
Ooh, this is interesting. Day 1. Let's see if he likes these. You looked out the window. Look. Was a waste of Dom's money? I think so.
I think so. Day 1 he didn't like. Max, the treats are here. He's on the bed now. Right here. Max,
Look.
Come on, bro. It's day 1 on Advent.
Said no, thank you. Day
I'm
1,
dead.
trash. I'm putting his food anyways.
Okay, day 1.
You're gonna see he's gonna end up eating all his food, and he's gonna leave these behind.
Okay, let's see how that looks. Let me see how it looks on the camera. All right. This is how his food looks right now, guys. We'll see if it actually gets left over. Okay, Advent calendar day 1 complete. Yo, my brother-in-law is such a sweetheart. He put a beer glass in the freezer for me. Osvaldo, if you're watching this, thank you. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the beer for day 1. I don't even know what this says other than hell. Anyways, I'm excited. I don't know how it's gonna taste, to be honest, but I'm so thankful of this cold glass. This is legit. I was like, damn, I'm gonna be drinking out of a can, but nope. Honestly, I thought this glass was gonna be very big, but it's like a perfect size. Yo, what the heck? This is freaking dope. Wow. Okay. Salud to Vlogmas and to you, Osvaldo, for this nice beer glass. Ooh, this is good. Fudge.
Is it?
It's actually really good. I mean, I feel like I'm gonna say everything is good.
Is it the kind of beers that you usually drink?
This is not like an IPA. I consider this
Regular beer?
Yeah, like maybe like a Stella kind of taste. Honestly, guys, I'm not no beer enthusiast. I drink beer, but I'm not the right person to ask. I just know it tastes good. Anyways, we're gonna probably end the night here. Vlogmas Day 2. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy our new intro with Max.